Hello everyone, you are welcome to another video. So in today's video we want to talk about filtering of data using Microsoft Excel. So this is a data set on online retail. So it has this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. Okay, and this is just 119 record of the data. So if you want to filter, you come to the data ribbon like this. You click on the filter. When you click on it, you will discover that the column headers are all having this drop down box by the side. So I want to give us an overview about filtering. Now anytime you want to filter data sets in Microsoft Excel, one of the important things you have to take note of is the type of data that is contained in the column. In this case, invoice number, you can see that it is a numeric column. And then the stock code is also numeric column. And since they are numeric column, when you come to this part, you see number filter. In the description, which is a textual column, okay, you see the text filter. The quantity is a number column, so you see same thing, number filter. And then the invoice date, which is a date column, you see the date filter. So same thing with unit price, customer ID. This is customer ID and the country. So that is an important aspect you need to take note of. Then in filtering, when you click this drop down box, you come to this aspect of the filter pane. And each value that is here represents a unique value from that particular column. Each value represents a unique value from the particular column. So as it is, these are the values that are represented in the invoice number column. Now, if we come to country and you click on this place, you'll discover that there are just two countries that are available in the country column: France and United Kingdom. So anytime you are filtering, the first thing you want to take note of is the data type of the column, then the unique values that are present in the column, the unique value that is present in the column. So that is all on the overview on filtering data in Microsoft Excel. In the next video, we will look at how to filter textual data.